Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. For any quadrilateral, the total angle sum is 360 degrees. We already studied this in the video about polygons. There are 6 special quadrilaterals. Let's study the main features of each of them. A trapezium, also known as a trapezoid in US, is a quadrilateral which has a pair of parallel opposite sides. Look at the trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. Pay attention to angles A and D. AD is transversal. If we extend the line AD, we can see that angles A and D are supplementary angles. So they add up to 180 degrees. They are called adjacent angles. The same goes for angles C and B. They are also supplementary. In special case of the isosceles trapezium, the two non-parallel sides are equal. When the two non-parallel sides are equal, the angles C and D are equal, and the angles A and B are also equal. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral which has opposite sides parallel. AB is parallel to CD. AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite angles are equal in size. Adjacent angles along the sides are supplementary. Look at the figure. Angles A and D are supplementary angles. The same goes for angles C and B. Diagonals bisect each other, divide each other in half. A kite is a quadrilateral which has two pairs of adjacent sides equal in length. One pair of opposite angles are equal. Diagonals cut each other at right angles. One diagonal bisects one pair of angles at the vertices. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 equal angles of 90 degrees. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other. A rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to CB. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. A square is a rhombus with 4 equal angles of 90 degrees. All sides are parallel and equal in size. Diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other at right angles. Now it is your turn.